In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get reviews on your Klaviyo emails. The goal here is simple. You are going to create an automated flow that sends a review request email after someone has received their order and had enough time to use it. This helps you collect more reviews consistently, without needing to send manual follow-ups. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and looking at the left sidebar. Click Flows. This is where Klaviyo stores all of your automated sequences, like Welcome Series, Abandoned Cart, and Post-Purchase Messages. Next, click Create Flow, then choose Create from Scratch. Creating from scratch gives you full control over the timing and the message, which is important for review requests. You will be prompted to name the flow. Choose a clear name that you will recognize later, such as something that indicates it is a review request tied to fulfilled orders. Then continue. Now you will choose what triggers this flow. Select Metric, and then click Fulfilled Order. This trigger is used when an order has been fulfilled, which is a strong point to start a review request sequence. It helps ensure the customer is past the purchase stage and moving into the delivery and usage stage. Once the flow is created, you will add a delay before the email sends. Drag a time delay block into the flow and set it to 10 days. 10 days is a practical starting point because it gives the customer time for shipping and a few days to experience the product. If your shipping is slower or your product needs more time to evaluate, you can revisit this later, but for now keep it at 10 days as instructed. After the delay, drag an email block directly below it. This will be the message that asks the customer to leave a review. Click Configure Content, then select Template. Using a template speeds up the setup and helps keep the email layout clean and consistent with your brand. From the template options, choose a review request design. These designs are built to focus the reader on a single action, which is leaving feedback, so they are a strong fit for this flow. Finally, click Save and Exit. Then change the flow status from Draft to Live. This is the step that actually turns the automation on, so new fulfilled orders can begin moving through the delay and receive the review request email. That covers everything you need to know.